405 on 10. 405 on 1007.
I need stay here now. Take a big bullet now. Shut it on. Pressing it. Come around.
405 on 10. 405 on 1007. Monitor as well.
So I have visual on the vehicle. It's continuing westbound.
What way did the vehicle go?
10-9.
Sweet. That vehicle just went southbound on Acuff Road.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Where are you hurt?
Everywhere.
Did he run you over?
Yeah.
Hey, watch out. 4-2, I'm going to be 1097 cents over that vehicle at East Bay Boulevard. I got the vehicle. It's unoccupied. It's going to be in this little lot over here by Booker Septic Service. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! He just ran over there. He ran over there. 428, we're going to be pursuing the suspect. He just walked. Just jumped over the fence. It's going to be a Bravo Mike, shirtless, red shorts. Show me your hands! Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back! Let them know we're going to be 10-15. 428, we're 77. Have VMS. Have VMS.